Just carried out the adjustment of the rear shoes, because every time you do a rear disc replacement, you got to do the calibration, grinding in of the disc for the actual brake. So I've done the calibration. It comes up. If you can see here, it should tell you it should be between clearance should be allowed between 1.9 to 2.4 millimeter. So it's coming up not okay. So they're both 2.6 and 3. So what I gotta do now, it's gonna make it a bit smaller. Okay. So I'm gonna do some readjustment again. It takes a while to do this properly, but you gotta do it. You can't just give the car to a customer. It's part of the process. You use the computer to adjust the brakes on the rear. Because of the rear handbrake, electric handbrake, so you gotta do this process. Oh, let me just pause and I'll do that. Okay, I'm doing it again. It's releasing. Come back here. Still 2.4. So it's still above 2.4. So it's going to do one more clicks off on both sides. Alright. I'll pause that. Okay, I'm doing it again. This is the third time I do the adjustment. Hopefully it'll be between 1.9 and 2.4. Beautiful. See how now it says okay, before it was not okay. So now I'm ready to actually put the wheels back on and go on the road and do the calibration. Alright? I'll post that.